Hey, what's going on, Shiny Grooms? And today I got a little quick unboxing video for you. Bay Area beard has been around for a minute now, and I have never tried any of their products. So there was a sale, kind of like a little flash sale going on. A bunch of companies got together, were featured on a live stream, and this flash sale. So I picked up from Bay Area Beards the Moedim. It's a box set. So I'm going to unbox this for you, show you everything that's inside and all that jazz, and let's get to it. Okay, got the bag open. I can already smell fragrances coming out of the box. Look at that. Pretty cool. Let's get it open. Very nice. Let's take a look at this. Oh. It's 5 bottles of oil. There's the postcard that comes with it. I guess these are the scent names right here. Each one comes bubble wrapped. Wow, this is pretty cool. Comes with a pin. See the back of the pin there? It's a little Moedim pin. Pretty cool. Special Moedim sticker. Very nice. Okay, so this is the Moedim card right there, and on the back it has all your scents. So you can take a freeze frame of that, read at your leisure. We got the oils. We got the box. Let's put the box to the side, of course. Let's get this open here. Okay, so there is the oil right there. There's the bottle. There's a little biblical symbol. There's a little biblical passage right there. See? Take a freeze frame of that, read it at your leisure. There is the, what is this? Here are your directions. Take a freeze frame of that and read that at your leisure if you can. It's a frosted glass bottle, so that's one. There's another thing. I'm starting to notice something here with these bottles of oil. There's another one. Okay. But I am looking forward to trying out these oils, smelling them all, and you know what? Let me get, which is kind of hard because there's no, hold on here, I'm trying to see where, okay, so the only way you know which oil is which, nope, that's not working. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which oil is which. Am I supposed to, what am I supposed to do here? Am I supposed to take this off? This little sticker thing? Let me see. No. Okay, so these little these things right here, they're stickers, and they come off, and underneath it just says, you know, Bay Area Beard. The stickers come off and it just says Bay Area Beard on it, and that's the label. So I believe that's how you tell what oil you have, but I don't see the name on it. So I don't see the name of the scent on there at all. So I'm just trying to see. I mean, it just says Moedim on it, and doesn't say anything on here. And I'm see if we can get a little closer here. Like, it just says the Moedim, and it has the thing here, and up top it says, geez, I can't even read it. Don't just grow any beard, grow a biblical beard. That's what it says on the very top of the bottle. So I'm trying to see which one is which. Because like this little symbol right there, right? This little symbol is kind of like not matching up to any of these symbols here. So I don't know which one I got. Alright, maybe this one matches. This one doesn't match. This one doesn't match. This one just has Tyson Faithfully Bearded's face on it. So, all right. So I have some issues right now so far. So I have two main issues. Just opening it up. One, that the bottles are underfilled. Maybe they are. Maybe they're not. I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to check it out. The other thing is that I can't tell what's what. Hold on here. Wait a minute. Maybe I spoke too soon. Oh, okay. Yes. The name of the scent is on the sticker, right? It's on the sticker. So if I put it in, you can see it right there. Very small, very fine print within the color of the label in back there. So yeah, that's how you're going to find out what you got. I think, yes, I found it. I found out. There they are. It's in there. The name is in there. Very hard to read, but it's in there. So I'm going to have to get a magnifying glass and really see what each scent is, and then that way I can just, or I can just smell it with the scent description, because the scent, they did a good job of having the scent descriptions on this card right here. Hopefully when I get, you know, a magnifying glass and really see the name of the scent, I can match it up to the card, and then that way I know which one is which. Yeah, so I gotta tell you, okay, Bakurum, okay, all right, so yeah, I have to spend some time with this, and yeah, other than that, everything else looked good. I mean, you know, the scent name should be, you know, either underneath this little graphic here or maybe within it, you know, something like that. That way, you know, I can look at it and say, oh, that's the scent name. But I have to, I'll have to take out like a magnifying glass, and if you're colorblind, I mean, that may not, you may not even see that. So you may have to go just by on your sense of smell. But that is the Moedim box scent. Again, you get 5 oils. You get a special Moedim sticker, a pin, a card with the scent name and scent descriptions on there, and little postcard with all that stuff on it. So all in all, well-rounded set with the 5 oils, 70 bucks, normal price. If you can find a discount code, I suggest you use it. And yeah, this has been the unboxing. I'm gonna try out these oils and then, you know, do a little like scent review, or no, I'm gonna do like an oil review because there are no butters or balms with this. It's just the oils. Let's get. I'll open one up to get the scent. Let's see if I can try and find. I really am interested on that cinnamon sugar donut. So the Caroset. Let's see if I can. I can't even read that. I can't read that right now. I can't. My eyes. That one's not that one. I think this is it. I think this is it. Does that say Charo Set on there? Let's see. Come on, camera, help me out here. I think. Let me open it up, and I'll know. I'll know. You know what it smells like. Okay. I do like the bottle. You know, smoked glass with the white top and the gold around the top here. We'll give it a good shake. Just warm it up. Okay. Yeah, that does smell very nice. Okay, yeah. Really good scent. Really good scent. I can get the oatmeal, the honey out of it. Very nice scent. So, just a few things to tighten up here and it would be a perfect package. I mean, those scent names, they should be where you can read them, where you don't have to get a magnifying glass or really strain your eyes to see that name, especially with it blending into the color of the badge that's on the bottle. And another thing, nice set all in all. That'll be it for today's unboxing and first impression. Catch you on the next one. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. Later.